Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your logo onto Wave apps. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are already on Wave apps and want to actually add their branding when it comes to sending invoices, estimates, or etc. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, simple. There's not a lot of steps involved, guys, so be sure to stick around all the way until the end. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is go onto our Wave apps account, which looks like this right here. Then on the left-hand side, there's actually multiple ways you could add a logo, but one way to do it is to click on Sales and Payments, and then click on Estimates. So from here, if you're brand new to Wave Apps, it's actually going to ask you to add your logo. So you can simply just drag and drop your logo here, and it does need to be a maximum of 5 megabytes in size, and file formats are JPEG, PNG, or GIF formats. Likewise, in addition to adding your logo, you can actually choose an accent color here. So if you change this accent color, it's actually going to go ahead and change, as you can see, our invoice here. If you drop in your logo, it's going to appear over here. And you can also choose from their templates. So they have contemporary, they have modern, and they have classic. I personally like the modern touch to my templates or invoices or estimates, but you can choose whichever one you want though. I wouldn't recommend going crazy with the colors, but rather choose something that stands with your logo design. But with that being said, once you add your logo, once you choose your accent color, or if you want to choose a template, you can click on looks great and let's go. So with that being said, this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your logo onto Wave apps. If you guys know of a better or easy way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.